Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dunkin app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Dunkin app is a convenient mobile platform designed to make ordering coffee, donuts, and breakfast items faster and more rewarding. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to order ahead, pay seamlessly, and earn points through the Dunkin Rewards program. With each purchase, users collect points that can be redeemed for free drinks, exclusive offers, and seasonal deals. It also includes a store locator and customization options for coffee and food preferences, offering a smooth and personalized experience. The app's main feature is its mobile ordering system, which lets you skip the line and pick up your order at a nearby Dunkin store or drive-thru. It also supports contactless payments, digital gift cards, and detailed menu browsing for all your Dunkin favorites. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's quick ordering process, accurate customization options, and reliable reward tracking. The app's user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making it great for frequent coffee runs. However, some users have mentioned occasional sign-in issues, delayed reward updates, or location detection errors in certain areas. Despite these minor flaws, most agree that it saves time and offers great value through its reward system. In summary, the Dunkin app may be worth using if you're a regular customer who enjoys coffee and wants to save time while earning rewards. However, if you don't frequently visit Dunkin locations or prefer cash payments, the app might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.